Hello, and welcome to the Infinity Restora Chair remote control tutorial. The goal of this video is to teach you the ins and outs of the Restora Chair remote, to better understand how to use it to get the most out of your massage chair. This video is going to be split into two different parts: remote layout and functions, and menu walkthrough. To start, we're going to go over the button layout on the front face of the remote and what each of the buttons do. Afterward, we will go over the menu to start an auto program. Then, we'll customize a massage using the different features of the chair. Let's begin by turning on the remote by pressing the power button on the left side of the remote, just below the display screen. This button is used to turn the chair on and off when connected to power, and when the power switch on the back of the chair is turned to the on position. Note, once on, the display will indicate a yellow warning screen. After the initial boot up, read the warning and click OK to confirm. To the right of the power button, we have the pause button. At any point, press the pause button to stop all motion in the chair. Press pause once more to resume all paused functions. In the center, you have the directional pad and the OK button. This will help you navigate through the menus. The OK button allows you to confirm the selection. Additionally, while in an auto program, you can use the left and right directional buttons to adjust the massage mechanism speed. Left is slower and right is faster. Below and to the left of the directional pad, we have the home button. Pressing this button will bring up the home screen where most of the chair's functions are located. We will return to this in part 2 of this video. Next, to the right is the return button. Use this button to make a previous selection or return back to the previous screen. Next are the posture buttons. Use these buttons to change the recline position of the chair between 3 preset levels: upright, half recline, and full recline. Down and to the left are the timer buttons. Use these buttons to adjust the massage time for the program that you wish to change. Pressing plus will increase time in increments of 5 minutes to a total of 30 minutes, and pressing minus will decrease time by 5 minutes to a minimum of 5 minutes. To the right of time is the rocking button. Use this button to turn on and off the rocking feature of your chair. To the right of rocking are the adjustment buttons. Use these buttons to adjust the backrest by pressing plus to raise and minus to lower the backrest. Press and hold until the desired position. Now let's walk you through the menus. Press the home button. On the screen, you will see 5 different menu options: auto, manual, sleep mode, deep, brightness, and language. It is very easy to navigate through the different menu options. Just use the directional pad to navigate the menu and press OK to select an item. We're going to start from the top left and work our way down the list. The first option is auto. This brings up a list of auto programs. Each of these auto programs provides a different massage that is designed to stimulate muscles and ease tension. There is full body, decompression, neck and shoulder, back massage, and waist massage. We recommend trying each one out and seeing what feels best for you, or varying them based on how you feel that day. For this tutorial, let's select full body. Use the directional arrows to select the program, then press OK to confirm. The first time you activate an auto program, you will be taken to the body scanning screen. This step is designed to ensure the chair customizes its settings to match your body. When the scan is complete, you will notice directional arrows on the screen, and the chair will give you an indicator noise. During this time, you can use the up and down directional buttons on the remote to fine-tune the shoulder position on the rollers. After adjusting your shoulder position, you'll be taken to the in-use screen, where you can observe all the current settings and session information. At the top left is the name of the program currently running. To the right of that is time remaining in the massage, indicated by minutes and seconds. Next is width, or the distance between the massage rollers on your back. Below that is the speed indicator showing the pace of the rollers. Slower speeds providing a more gentle and relaxing experience, and faster speeds offering a more invigorating and stimulating effect. Beneath speed is an outline of a figure indicating the current position of the massage mechanism along the massage track. To the right is the current massage technique: kneading, tapping, or shiatsu. Going back to the main menu by pressing home, navigate right and select manual. This will bring up the manual menu, displaying 5 different options you can adjust. We'll start with the first by selecting mode. These are different techniques of massage that this chair offers. There are 6 options: knead, pat, knock, shiatsu, and sink. Try each one of them and see which one you enjoy the most. Use the directional arrows to make a selection, then press OK to confirm. With the type of massage selected, let's select part. Here you have 3 options: full, partial, and point. If you select full, this sets up the rollers to utilize the entire track in the chair, from your neck all the way down to your lower back. For a more focused massage, select partial. This setting moves the rollers in a 6 to 8 inch section, where they currently are, on the massage track. For a more targeted area, select the point option. Hold the up and down directional buttons to move the rollers to any desired position along the track. Once you let go, the massage mechanism will continually massage this point until you decide to change it. To change the width of the rollers or how wide on your back the massagers will massage, simply select width. You will see 3 options: wide, medium, or select narrow for a massage along the spine. You can only change the width when using the tap, knock, and shiatsu techniques. If you want to change the speed of the massage rollers on the track, you can adjust those settings in speed on this menu. There are 5 different options to choose from, 1 being slowest and 5 being fastest. You can also use the left and right directional buttons to adjust massage speed while the in-use screen is showing. Lastly, there is rocking. Use this to turn the rocking function of the chair on or off. This is the same as pressing the rocking button on the remote. Rocking will gently tilt the chair back and forth, simulating a rocking motion, and can be used with or without the massage activated. Returning to the main menu, let's select Sleep Mode. When Sleep Mode is on, the chair will remain in the reclined position after an auto program finishes. When Sleep Mode is off, the chair will return to a fully upright position after each auto program has finished. Use the directional arrows to select on or off, then press OK to confirm. Next is Beep. When Beep is on, you will hear a sound every time you press a button. When this setting is off, you will hear silence. Use the directional arrows to select on or off, then press OK to confirm. To the bottom left is Brightness. This setting will change the brightness of the screen on your remote, 1 being low and 3 being bright. Select a level and press OK to confirm. Finally, this chair has 3 different language settings to choose from: Chinese, English, and Spanish. Make your selection and press OK to confirm. Now that you understand the settings, layout, and functions of the Restora chair remote control, you can fully enjoy your Infinity Restora chair and truly maximize your relaxation. Enjoy your chair, and thank you for being a part of the Infinity family.